Hey guys, Joseph here today. This is another Joseph car video, and today another one for the V70, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your gear stick knob. So maybe like yours is all worn out, or whatever you want to call it, shifter handle, whatever. I've got a new one. I've got one in a little bit of a wood finish I have, which is right here. You can just get another one that's exactly the same. This costed me £120. That's how much this costed. Got this second hand, but it's in really good condition. And then let's go and put this in the V70 right now. Right guys, we're in the car. There's the old dash cam wire just a bit in the way. So yeah, to get this bit off, just lever out from left to right. Got anything there I can put? Oh, a coin. 20p coin. There you go, that's that. This is easy when you've done this before. Just keep lever it out. Be careful when doing this. I'm not so careful this time. Just a bit more leverage. Put in second gear, just give us some room. There you go, just a bit of leverage. Someone that's taken this out before. Yeah, it's easy to do when you've done this job before. It can be hard taking out, but oops, a little resistance, so lever out. Just gonna pull dash cam wire out for a sec. There you go, that's that lever that. Dash cam wire's down the floor for now. That's out. That's that bit out the way now. So now to take this off, just need 2 fingers. You need 2 hands for the job, but yeah, Bruce, you can do this one-handed. There you go. That's that. Just help lever out. Here you go, guys. Now you're going to start needing tools now. There's some clips there that I'll just pop the gator out. Just get that out of the way. There's some heat here. I can get this up. There's some levers that you can just pop it out with. Don't know if you can see. Don't know how easy you can see this. It took me way longer doing this first time, and I never knew how to just come apart. Okay, I'm gonna pause here, just to pull this out a bit. I'm gonna pause here. There you go. You can kind of see, but I'm just pop this out so you guys can see a bit easier. Oh, I think you can see it now. I think there's 2. Put that in. There you go. So right now, I just need to go and get some mould grips and I'll be back. Right guys, you get it on the bottom of there. Right there's 2 clips where the mould grips are gripping onto. You tighten it right there, then you start pulling it down, and you cause the guys to drop in the gear. Sorry guys. Right guys, once you drop that down, sorry for dropping you in the gear, and dropped you down there. So right there you pull out. There you go. Now grab the new one. Now just pull it back up. You just tightened it. Well done it. Don't know how you do it. Alright, you push up on the gator as well. There you go. You heard that click, that firm click. That's in. So right now, start pushing it back down. Start compressing that back in. Push it all back down. Is it all back in? So do the seam. Now get the pen holder. Let's put that back. So line that in. There you go. First I had to roll through the gears. There you go. Finally, the new finish. It's got a better gear pattern so you can see it very easy now. So yeah. We'll probably keep this one though. Or are you going to throw it, Dad?
Well, keep it.
I'm going to keep it for now. It's way lighter than the new one. So there.
It can be
see how?
Could be a spare just in case.
So there, this could just be spare, guys. In case this one breaks. It's kind of, there's a few chips on it. Yeah, that's alright. But that's amazing now. So yeah, I'm going to pause here and go and end this film off. Right now. Right guys, we're going to end off this video. So if you want to get and you want to know before I release these uploads, go follow me on Instagram at Joseph Cars, just like the YouTube channel. Also, I am on Twitter as well. That is Joseph, by the way. Which I do have a gaming channel as well, which is called Joseph Gaming. Which my Twitter Joseph, but you get notified about Joseph Cars and Joseph Gaming. So you get notified about me both channels. So go follow me on Instagram, was where I'm most active on. You can follow me on Twitter at Joseph or Instagram at Joseph Cars. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below and tell us what you thought. And have a nice day.